Between groundbreaking and gimmicky, there is a thin line. With the new Tour Pro 2, JBL is aiming for the former. These true wireless earphones are the first to cram smartwatch-style controls and notifications onto a charging case via a fiddly touchscreen. Other features like active noise cancellation, EQ that can be customized, and spatial sound upmixing aren't skimped on either. They enter legitimately premium territory thanks to that clever little display, which is outside of JBL's usual purview. For $250, you can purchase some very capable rival earbuds with less attractive cases, but a laser-like focus on sound quality or effective active noise cancelling. Can the Tour Pro 2 compete, or have the essential audio features been put on the back burner? The Tour Pro 2's charging case is undeniably bulky due to the screen it has to accommodate. It's not light, and it'll probably live in a different pocket from your phone. Even so, it fits perfectly in the palm, and has a 1.4-inch LED display large enough for the menus to be read comfortably from a distance. The flip-top cover that reveals the buds hidden inside also makes us think of the Star Trek tricorder. Whether you choose the black model shown here or the fancier champagne option, it looks suitably upscale. The branding is understated, and the metal accents aren't overdone. Thought should be given before tossing the case in a bag with your keys in order to prevent scratching the glossy display bezel up front, which is quick to pick up fingerprints. It has a flat bottom that allows it to stand vertically, as well as a rubberized back that prevents it from sliding around on a desk. What does that screen do in practice then? Its main function is to allow you to change the earbud settings instantly without grabbing your phone. You can adjust the active noise cancellation volume, enable spatial sound effects, change the EQ presets, and enable side talk to hear more of your own voice during voice calls after tapping the case to wake it up and sliding it open. Each tap and swipe is met with an adequate response time. Additionally, it will show any incoming app notifications and flash up any calls to your paired smartphone with options to accept or reject them. The plain envelope icon that appears, however, makes it unclear which particular app is vying for your attention. There is currently no way to add your own lock screen wallpaper, so you can only choose from a small selection when changing it. The only controls available for volume and music playback are play, pause, and track skip. There is no album art, playback scrubber, or even a line of text to indicate which track you are currently listening to. It does at least display the amount of battery life left in each bud, as well as how much power is still in the case, the Bluetooth connection status, and the time. You do not receive any smartwatch-style widgets, such as a timer, calendar, or weather report. There is a flashlight feature, but it does nothing more than turn the screen white and is ineffective in all but complete darkness. Having access to the different active noise cancelling modes might encourage you to experiment, but you'll still need to use the JBL Smartphone Companion app to conduct an ear fit test or enable the adaptive setting, which adjusts the volume based on the noise level in your environment. However, at least at this time, it is not a great option for anyone looking for high-resolution Bluetooth. Although JBL promises to add LC3 codec support in a future update, at the time of writing it only supported Usbc and AAC. At this price, neither a PTX nor LDAC disappoint. However, the battery life is fairly decent. With active noise cancelling turned on, the bud's battery life is about 8 hours, which is impressive for high-end earbuds. If you haven't spent too much time swiping through the menus on the screen, a few trips to the charging case will add another 24 hours. If you don't need noise-canceling headphones, those numbers increase to 10 hours and 30 hours, respectively. It supports wireless charging like all true wireless earbuds at this price should, and fast Usbc charging means 10 minutes should be sufficient for an additional 5 hours of use. But the Tour Pro 2, JBL is undoubtedly onto something. The addition of a screen to the charging case makes it easier to use than the touch gestures built into the earbuds themselves, and highlights the more sophisticated features that would otherwise be hidden in a phone companion app. It doesn't reduce battery life either, but its utility is constrained in the absence of more smartwatch-style widgets and interactions. The Momentum True Wireless 3 and Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Gen both have better sound quality for the money. The gold standard for noise cancellation continues to be the Sony WF-1000XM4 and the Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2. It just isn't worth spending more on the screen until there's a stronger incentive to keep the case out of your pocket. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon.